Hello everyone, today we will write a program to reverse words of a string. So it's basically like today is Sunday, and then we just need to print it like Sunday is today. So this is our CS file which I have already created for this program. So first thing which is required here is like we need a string. So I'm using string A and type your string. Today is Sunday. That's it. Now next thing we will do is like we just need to split the string into words. So for more clarity, first I will write all those comment as well before code. String into words. For this we will use a string array. Oops. Yeah. Name it as words. Okay. Words equals to a dot, which is our string, above string, dot split, and in bracket, in quotes, provide a space and then semicolon. Now next thing we will do, we will reverse the array of words. Words means our string array. For that use write array dot reverse, words in bracket. Next thing we will do is like join the reverse array back into our string. So for this let me finish. Okay, into a string. Right, now we will use the string reversed, another string, equals to string dot join in bracket, first write quotes, then provide space, and then use your string array, which is word. That's it. Now we just need to print the output. So whatever we get in this reverse string, we will just print it. So just copy paste it in the console.write line. Done. Now execute it. See, Sunday is today, and our original string was today is Sunday. So now this is working. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.